Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this daily yoga practice. This class is all about your hips, so let's get started. Close your eyes in a comfortable seated position, hands in prayer. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. And let's get started on the hands and knees. Now, when we step onto the hands and knees, the hands want to be shoulder width apart and knees hips width apart. We need to start to rock side to side so you can just kind of feel inside your pelvis. That's nice. So we kind of get this feeling of movement, the side to side action inside the pelvis. Looking good. All right, now we're going to take it into some little hip rolls. So we're going to go over to the right side, and I want you to roll forward over to the left side. This is like around the world, into the hip joints. Good job. One more time, to the right side. Roll through the hip joints, around the world. Switch the directions. Over to the left side, around the world, massaging the hip joints. One more time to the left. Good. All right, last time to the left, so we're even. Roll around the world. Good job. Okay, let's walk the knees in for a moment and then separate the knees, dropping the hips back. A nice wide child's pose, almost like a baby frog. And then we'll stay for a couple breaths. We can drop the forehead down, or if your chest is on the ground, it might feel more comfortable to kind of pop the head a little bit higher. Stay for a couple breaths. We've got deep breathing, draw the navel in, observe the sensations. Don't force it. All right, it's good. Deep breaths. Let's do two more. Kind of widening the knees as you sink into it, but don't pull the pelvis too much forward. All right, let's do one more breath. Good job. Let's walk the hands back, bending the elbows. Inhale, lift your chest up off the ground, scoot the knees a little forward, then cross the feet underneath you, and then extend the legs. Now we're going to reach for the blocks. So we might want to reach forward. We can find one block or two. Feel welcome to use two. We want to find the support of the block with the in the torso. So let's bring the block forward. Don't go for too wide, just comfortably wide. And then exhale, place your belly on the block and lean forwards. Take the hands down. Activate the legs a little, so we'll point the feet and hold. 1. 5 breaths like this. 2. Draw the navel in, even though the block is supporting the torso. Just a few more breaths. The legs are active. One more breath. Nice. Now we're going to try without the block. So inhale, come up, moving the block over to the side. And then I want you to flex your feet for this one, bringing them a little bit closer together, holding onto your ankles or holding onto your feet. Inhale, prepare, a big breath in, and then exhale, fold. Maybe your chest touches the ground, maybe not, but try not to pull. Just observe the feeling of the torso and allow it to slide between the thighs as the hip joints move a little bit back. Good. Draw the navel in. You could close the eyes if it's very intense, or if you're calm and focused, let's look at the nose tip. That's good. How about 2 more breaths here? 1 more breath. Good. Walk your hands back up on the shin bones. Inhale, lift the center of the chest up. Exhale here, hold underneath your knees. Draw the knees in, and let's cross the arms over each other. Give your body a little bit of a hug for a moment. Kind of just drop the attention inward. Very good. We're going to gaze forward, separate the feet, roll over the feet through the hip joints, hands come forward. Inhale up to downward facing dog. Stay for a moment, find the position that best supports the shoulders. Then let's bend the knees, bringing the chest close to the thighs, and then straighten the legs. All right. Steady breathing. Mind is calm. Good. Let's do one more breath. Good. Let's switch the gaze forward and inhale. Let's step the left foot forward. Externally rotate the right hip joint. Put it down. Let's grab a block. Put it on the outside of the left foot. Press into the left hand. Press into the left hand. And then inhale. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. And we'll hold. 5 breaths. The navel draws in. That's good. Lengthen and deepen the breath. You can resonate the breath. This will help you slow the pace of your breathing down. Stabilize the arms, stabilize the body. That's good. Feel the movement inside the pelvis. Let's have about 2 more breaths. Let's do 1 more breath. On the end of this exhalation, I'd like you to look down and then drop your right arm down. Grab hold of the yoga block. Inhale, we come all the way up. Let's switch the sides. Place the block down as you roll into the right hip joint. Pressing the hand down, the left hip moves back, the left side of the pelvis spirals open, the rib cage spirals open, and the arms stack. Good. We're gazing up at the left fingers. Very good. The work happening inside the pelvis, building the dynamic range of motion that supports external rotation. That's good. Let's go for like a few more breaths. Feel the body moving, breathing. Moving, breathing, no forcefulness. Nice. Let's do 1 more breath. Very good. Let's switch the gaze down. And then let's drop that left hand down, spinning the left foot forward. We're going to bend the left knee, cross it underneath. Take the block, move it out to the side. Find the other block. Place that on the outside of the yoga mat. Bring the feet together. Now we're in Baddha Konasana position. So then reach the hands back behind you, scoot the hips a little forward, and then exhale, gently lie down. Let the spine release and let the hips open. We'll stay here for a few breaths. There might be a feeling of this almost release that comes. Relaxing the muscles of the pelvis, relaxing the torso, and of course, relaxing the hips. The hips are quite a complex part of the body, involving many muscle groups to facilitate strength, stability, movement, and flexibility in the whole vicinity around the hip joints. So observe the whole region of the hips, relaxing and lengthening, releasing and opening. Just a few more breaths. And 1 more long, deep breath in. And on the end of this exhalation, reach the hands down to the thighs. Let's draw the knees towards each other. On the next breath in, let's hug the knees up into the chest. And as you exhale, let's roll over onto the side. Inhale, we'll come all the way back up. Find again a comfortable position. Extend the arms, tips of the index fingers and thumbs touching. Return to this seated position, which concludes the practice. Feeling your connection to the hips, sending messages of love and acceptance deep into that inner world. Then bring the hands together, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.